Today I'm going to reroute the charging cable for my battery tender, because right now, to keep it charged, which I have to do because I don't drive it very often, is keep the hood up and have the charger doing all this. And I got a cable that will connect to the battery and has a magnetic connection that I'm going to mount in the front of the grill, so I can just pop that in. Because I like keeping the cover on this thing too, so it doesn't get all dusty and doesn't get scratched any more than it already is. So that's what we're going to work on today. So as you can see, this is how I have to have this thing connected. It's got to be plugged in and the hood open to get to the battery connections when I want to charge this. So this piece that I got is from a different company. It's called Works Group. I put a link in the description. It was like $60 on Amazon, I believe it was. So this part will connect here, and then the jumper wire connections will go in its place. Then that will connect, and this I'm going to run down along the passenger side. I'm going to mount it to the front on the bumper bracket. This part is the other end. These two obviously go on your battery. It's got an inline fuse just in case. And then these two connectors, this will be mounted to the front bumper bracket, and then this will just connect. It only goes on one way. There's a little LED light there that will connect to and let you know that you've got a connection, that it is charging your battery. So we won't have to have all this stuff laying all over the car. Now that I have it all wired up and complete, these are the leads that come off of the new wire, obviously going to the black and the red post there, and I routed the wire along here. I wish there was a better way to hide it. Unfortunately, there's not really any way, but that goes down underneath there and it comes out the grill, and I'll show you here. The wire comes out here to the plug. And I just drilled a couple holes in the bracket. Unfortunately, I had to take the whole bumper off to get this one bracket out to drill those holes. But that's there. It's got a nice little weather boot for it, so you don't get it, doesn't get all rained on. But the other end here, I'll show you that. That connects there. It's got a little LED light on there to let you know that it's connected and it is charging. So it is kind of in the way there too, but that's how it works. So if you want to watch more videos on the Corvette and on the truck and all the work that I'm going to be doing to them, stay tuned or subscribe. Thanks.